So far, we discussed about the single phase supply. So we discussed about the single phase supply. So now we'll move to three phase. System or three phase supply. So usually the single phase power, so that is used for delivering small amount of power in terms of less than 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatt range. If you want to deliver a large power, so in that case, so we will go for this three phase system, right? So it's generally three phase. So first the power is obtained from the three phase format. So from that, so the single phase loads are connected. So how exactly the single phase loads are connected? So that we will discuss shortly. So generally in power stations, so three phase generators will be there, and these three phase generators will produce the three phase supply. So these three phase supplies are sinusoidal in nature, right? So that means that it will generate the three sinusoidal, or this is equivalent to generating a three sinusoidal voltage sources which are having the same frequency, same magnitude. So which are having same frequency and same magnitude, so but which are displaced by an angle 120 degrees. Right. So how exactly that is generated? So by placing a coils which are 120 degrees shifted, right? In that case, so that is produced. So that is not the class. So we have dedicated course on that. So how the power exactly is generated in generators, so that you will going to learn. So we now assume that the three phase supply is available. So how exactly the three phase supply is? It will be like this. Okay. So this is single phase, right? So sinusoidal wave, single phase. But in case of three phase, so what is the main difference is? So you have three sinusoidal waveforms, so which are having the same magnitude, and same frequency, and which are displaced by 120 degrees. So which are displaced by 120 degrees. So that means this is, for example, so this red one is one phase, and this green one, so which is displaced by 120 degrees. Again, this is displaced by another 120 degrees. So this is how the three phase system is developed. So this is how the three phase system is developed, right? So this can be written as, so let us assume that, so this is R phase, so this is Y phase, and this is B phase. So three phase, you have phases, R phase, Y phase, B phase. Someone may use A phase, B phase, C phase, or someone may use U phase, V phase, and W phase. So usually in India, so we normally prefer, so this RYB notation. So this RYB notation, so we usually follow. So how these three phases are there? So that is R phase. So let us assume that this is VR phase. So it will be Vm sine omega t. So this one with the reference. So how this Y phase will be? So it will be same magnitude, same frequency, but this is delayed by 120 degrees, right? So this is 120 degrees. Similarly, B phase, so it is Vm sine omega t minus 240 degrees. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So this is also equal to Vm sine omega t plus 120 degrees. So that is unnecessary, it will create confused, right? So this can be written as Vm at an angle 0. So this can be written as Vm at an angle minus 120 degrees, and this can be written as Vm at an angle minus 240 degrees if you are representing in phasor form.
Sir, could you explain again the degrees, 0, 120, 240, 360? How exactly? I'm not able
So
to
this is
understand.
delayed by 120 degrees, right? So that's why you have phase shift is 120. If it is further delayed by,
Sir, I'm not getting the word like
One
what is
second.
delayed by 120 degrees?
Yeah, this is delayed by 120 degrees. So that's why it is omega t minus 120. So this is further delayed by 120 degrees. In other words, so with respect to this reference one, so this blue one is delayed by 240 degrees. So that's why it is omega t minus 240 degrees.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I understood that, sir. So I'm asking like what is the meaning when it says like it's delayed by 120 degree means what is the meaning out of that word, sir? I know how to like exactly frame that question.
So
But
we have 360 degrees, right? So 360 degrees. So this is three phase. So that means it is 120 degrees.
Phase difference.
So
Yes.
phase difference is 120 degrees.
sir, sure.
So this is how the three phase supply so will be there. So this one is the single phase supply, right? So if you have R phase, Y phase, and B phase, so that will be a three phase supply. So here the magnitude is same, and the phase angle difference is 120 degrees, right? So this is ideal case. Sometimes practically what will happen, so these magnitudes may be slightly different. So the slight variation is acceptable, but sometimes we have some difference. For example, so this is, for example, this is 200 and this may be 180, this may be, for example, 190, something like this, right? So that means, so this one is unbalanced, right? So here, the thing is that for three phase, it may be balanced or unbalanced. So what is the meaning of balanced means? So in case of balanced, all the magnitudes are same. So magnitudes are same and the angle difference is maintained to 120 degrees. Right. So there will be slight variation will be there. For example, this is 200, it may be 199 or 198. And this is the last one, maybe 190, 201 or 202. Some slight variation is some practically acceptable. But so the deviation is very large. For example, one is 200, or if the difference is 10 volts or 15 volts, something like that. So in that case, it is known as unbalanced. Right. So here the variation either in magnitude or in phase angle. So meaning is, so there is a variation in the magnitude or phase angle. That means exact 120 is not maintained. Sometimes it may be 118 degrees or 117 degrees, something like that. Right. So that means we have two types: magnitude unbalance and phase angle unbalance, or both. So we have two types. So one is the balanced supply and unbalanced supply. So one is balanced supply, unbalanced supply. In case of balanced supply, the magnitudes of all phases are more or less same, and the phase angle difference is, or phases are displaced by 120 degrees. Or the phases are separated by 120 degrees apart. So that is balanced. In case of unbalanced, so there are two types. So one is the magnitude unbalance or phase angle unbalance. Right. In case of magnitude unbalance, so there is a deviation in the magnitudes. In case of phase angle unbalance, so there is a deviation in the phase angles. Sometimes both will present, magnitude unbalance and the phase angle unbalance. So both will present. So first we'll deal with balanced. So first we will deal with balanced three-phase supply.
Sir, phase angle
Yes.
unbalanced means one angle difference is 120 and another angle difference is 118, like that, sir.
Yeah, if it instead of this 120, it may be 116 degrees. Right, instead of that, it may be 232 degrees or 215 or 238 degrees or something like this. Right. So that is exactly not 120 degrees. So that is known as phase angle unbalance.
Okay, sir.
It's clear? So this is about the introduction of this three phase and this three phase source. So right. So whatever this three phase source. So these three phases, so either it will connect in star or it will connect in delta. These three phases, so either they are connected in star or they are connected in delta. So first we'll see so how exactly the star connected three-phase supply will be there. So let us assume that so we have something like this. So let us assume this is VR, R phase, right? So this is VY and this is VB. Right? So VR, VY, VB. So VR, so we already given, so that is Vm sine omega t. So Vy, Vm sine omega t minus 2 pi by 3, so that is 120 degrees. So V, so Vm sine omega t minus 4 pi by 3, so that is 240 degrees. So this is star connected source. It is a star connected three-phase source. So this is star connected three-phase source. Similarly, we have delta connected three-phase source. So that will be like this. So this is the delta connected three-phase source. So we'll discuss this later. So this is source here, right? And we have some load here. If this is three phase, so the load must be three phase, right? So the load must be load three phase. So load may be star connected or it may be delta connected. So let us assume that the load is also star connected, something like this. Right. So this is ZR, ZY, and this is say ZB. So that is three phase star connected load. So this A phase is connected. So this is how this Y phase is connected. And this is B phase is connected here. So one side you have three phase source and the other side you have three phase load. So for simplicity, we assume that so both are connected in star. So we have some terminologies are there. So one is the line terms and phase terms. So what is the meaning of line terms and phase terms is, so this is generator, right? Three phase generator. So that means, so this is inside. Right. So this is inside the generator. So only terminals so that are available is this one terminal. So this is another terminal and this is another terminal. So these three are, so assume that these three are so right now available. Right. So we have two different voltages. So one is the phase voltage and line voltage. In other words, phase to neutral voltage. So this is also known as phase voltage or phase to phase voltage. Phase to phase voltage. So that is known as line voltage. So we have two terms so that are associated. One is the phase voltage and line voltage. So meaning of phase voltage is phase to neutral voltage. Phase to neutral voltage. So meaning of line voltage is phase to phase voltage. Phase to phase voltage, right? So assume that this is the phase point, right? So this midpoint, so this is known as neutral. So this midpoint or the point where the star is formed, so this is known as neutral. Right. So that means the voltage between, so if we assume this is plus and this is minus, so this is plus here, and this is plus here, right? So the voltage between, so this point and this point, so it is known as phase voltage or phase to neutral voltage. Agree? So this can be written as VRN simply. So VRN. Similarly, so this is Y phase, this is the phase point, and this is neutral. So this is VYN, and this is VBN. So
why
these
we
are known
denoting the
as
N again, sir?
phase to neutral voltage. Yes.
Why are we denoting the N again? Can you
So
repeat
this
that
is
part?
neutral, right? So this is notating that R. So this is Y and this is B. So just to notate that, so we are indicating that, so that is phase to neutral voltage. Okay. So we will slightly adjust this one. So this is N here, N here, N here. So this indicates these are the phase voltages or phase to neutral voltage. Agree? Right. So, but whereas the voltages, so these are the outer terminals, right? This is inside the machine, inside generator. So only these four terminals, so along with some machines, so we have access to the neutral, and this point is accessible. So this is neutral. So we have R terminal is available, Y terminal is available, B terminal. So means, for example, you have some machine is there, something like this, right? So we have four terminals, so comes out. So one is R phase, Y phase, B phase, and neutral. Okay. Same here. So we have this R phase, B phase, or Y phase, and N phase. Sorry, B phase, R, Y, and B phase, and we have this neutral. So what is line voltage here is, so what is line voltage? So these are phase to phase voltage. So this is phase, right? And this is another phase. So the voltage between, so these two, so what is voltage between these two? So this is VRY. So that is known as line voltage. The voltage between phase to phase. Similarly, we have, so VYB. So VYB, so that is another phase voltage. And so from here to here, so VBR, RY, YB, BR, just to have a symmetry. So we had three terms, so R by B, so R to Y voltage, B to Y voltage, and B to R voltage. So this VRY, so VYB and VBR, so these are known as line voltages or phase to phase voltage. Sometimes we use the word line to line voltage. Right. So this is also known as line to neutral voltage or line to line voltage. Sometimes this line and phase words, so both are used interchangeably depending on the notation and depending on the place where, depending on the country where they are living. Right. Clear? So you have any questions here?
Sir,
Is there
how
any
do you
questions?
mark BYB, sir?
Sir, why what are that Z1, ZB, ZR, ZY?
What is the ZB? Where is ZB? So
Impedances.
these are the impedances. These are the load impedances. Load impedances.
Why did you connect those batteries to this?
Battery. Where I connected batteries?
Those voltages, no sir. This one, that's VYN, VRN.
So
To
this
that
is three-phase source, right? So that is three-phase source. So why source is there? So we need to connect the load, right? So this is load here. We have source here, load here. Same thing with a single phase supply. So we are connected low impedance, right? So this is single phase and this is three phase, nothing else.
Sir, and that N is there, no, sir. You've given a negative charge. Is it that is neutral, no, sir? How you can give negative charge?
So I'm not saying it is negative. We are this plus, we already discussed that. So for for AC, so there is no positive or negative sign. So these are the instantaneous positive and negatives. Okay, this is positive, so this is negative. Okay, so how you are measuring the voltage with respect to one? So that means this VRN means this voltage is measured between this point to this point. Okay, so
Okay,
one
sir.
clamp is connected like this, and the other clamp is like connected like this.
But doubt.
Right. So that is instantaneous voltages or instantaneous polarity.
So we can't decide the exact polarity of that, yes, sir.
You cannot decide. That is a continuous alternate. It is varying, right?
Very
So it is
nice, sir.
changing from plus minus in every off cycle. Right. Similarly, we have currents. So these are about the voltages, right? Similarly, we have currents. So we have one current here. Okay. So you have another current here inside the machine. We are talking about the inside the machine. So this is another current here. So let us assume that this IR, small IR, and this is IY, and this current is IB. So this IR, IY, and IB, so these are known as phase currents, right? So these are known as phase currents. So that is inside the machine. So whereas these currents, so this is outside the machine, right? Since it's a series connection, right? So whatever this current is there, so these currents both are same, right? Agree? Agree? So there is no change here. So this is also known as IR, IY, and IB. But in case of star connection, so this phase currents or this line current, these are known as line current. Okay. So these are known as line currents outside the machine. So IR, IY, IB. So why I am denoting with the same letter IR, IY, and IB? So because it is a direct connection, right? So whatever the current inside particular phase, that is also same current flowing through outside the particular phase. So that's why both are same. So whereas here, so this VRN and VY, so this VRY, so there is a difference is there, right? So that's why I denoted with the other word. This is clear? Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have this neutral here. So this is neutral, right? So this capital N, so we'll denote with, this is load neutral. So this is load neutral and this capital N is the source neutral. So these two, you can directly connect these two. So this neutral we can directly connect. So this is one possibility. Or we can connect this neutral to ground. We connect this neutral to ground. Or we can open this one. So there is no connection. So here this neutral is there, right? So there is no connection to the neutral, no connection. So that means the neutral is left open, or this neutral is grounded, or this neutral is connected to connected to load neutral. In case of neutral, so there are three options. So one is it's left open, right? So it's left open, so there is no connection or we are not accessing the neutral. That is one option. Another option is neutral is connected to ground. Neutral is connected to ground. And another option is neutral is connected to the load neutral. So this is load neutral. Right. So based on that, so we have three-phase, three-wire system and three-phase, four-wire system is there. So meaning is three-phase, three-wire. So that means there is no neutral connection. So neutral is not at all used. Neither it is grounded nor it is connected to the load neutral. So that is known as three-phase, three-wire. So that means why it is three-phase, three-wire. So if it is not grounded of this one, if this line is not there, so you have only three lines, right? 1, 2, 3. So that is three wires will be there. That is known as three-phase, three-wire. So that means neutral is not connected. So that is left open. So that is three-phase, four-wire. In case of three-phase, three-wire. In case of three-phase, neutral, it's isolated. So that means no connection. Three-phase, four-wire. So either neutral is grounded. So neutral is grounded, or it is connected to load neutral. So that is known as three-phase, four-wire. So why four-wire? So here additional wire is required, right? Or additional wire is required. So that's why it is known as three-phase, four-wire.
Sir, that current will pass through that, sir. Current.
Yes.
Current, sir. Will current pass through that wire, fourth wire?
Right. So that is known as three-phase, three-wire and three-phase, four-wire. You have any questions here?
Sir, will current pass through that neutral of
Yeah, it will pass
three-phase
through the
volt
neutral.
wire
Okay. So current will pass through the neutral.
sir, if you want to find out, means it will be very difficult, no, sir.
So that we will discuss, okay, in later classes. Yeah, right. This clear, right? Okay.
Sir, before you proceed, sir, could you once again brief out about 3P, 3W and 3P, 4W, sir? Getting some confusion, sir. Seeing the diagram and
What is the confusion here?
The roadmap is written, yeah.
So this is three-phase, right? Okay. If this point is the neutral, right? If this is left open, so this is known as three-phase, three-wire. Okay. Right. If so, this is either grounded or it is connected to some other load neutral. So that is known as three-phase, four-wire. Clear?
yes, sir.
Right. So now what you understood that, if the source is star connected, right? If the source is star connected, so in that case, phase currents and line currents, so both are same. Phase currents and line currents both are same, but phase voltages and line voltages are different, right? Phase voltages and line voltages are different. So how exactly they are different and what is their relationship? So now we are going to find out. So I'm erasing so these additional things. So this is neutral. So we assume this is R, is a V. V R N, V Y N, and this is V B N. Right? These voltages. Clear? Agree? So how do you draw the phasor diagram? So for a particular case, right? See, if you assume this is origin, right? If you assume, so this is origin. So this is V R N phasor. Okay. And this is 120 degrees shifted. So this is V Y N phasor. Agree? And this will be V B N phasor. Clear? So what is this angle is 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees and this is also 120 degrees. Agree? So now, so this one is the line voltage. So this is voltage between V, R and N. R and Y. So now tell me, if you apply KVL, right? If you apply KVL, so what is VRY? What is VRY? If you apply KVL,
V R N minus V Y N, sir.
so if you assume this is the current, what is VRY?
VRN
minus VY.
So
N.
VRN
minus VYN.
minus V.
VYN.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, so we have VYB, and this one is VBR, right? So what is VYB? What is VYB?
Sir, VRN minus VB.
Why VRN again? So
So
the
VBN minus VYN.
VYN minus VBN, right? Agree? Agree? Similarly, VBR. So it will be VBN minus VRN, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Right. So what is VRY? Right. So VRY is, so this is VRN minus VYN, right? So let us write these equations in terms of so this is VRN minus VBN, right? So in other words, so VRY phasor equal to VRN phasor minus VYN phasor. So this is VYN phasor and this is VRN, right? So how to do the phasor subtraction? So this is VRN phasor. So this is VYN phasor, right? So how to do this one? So this is VYN. So that means, so this will be, so what is this one? Minus VYN, right? Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next step? So we need to add these two. So how to add that one? So draw a something which is parallel to this one. So this will be minus V by N, right? It will be like this, and this will be the resultant. Right? So what is this phasor is?
That resultant is which
So
of
this
the
phasor is VRY, right? Agree? So what is this angle? What is this angle?
Inverse.
No, this
Tan
angle.
inverse
What tan inverse? What is this angle? This is 120
60
degrees,
degree.
right?
60
So what is
degrees.
this angle?
60.
60 degrees, right? Is it 60? No. What is this angle?
The whole is 60.
So this whole is 60 degrees. So this will be 30 degrees, right?
30.
Okay. So now, so let us assume that so VRN is V phase. Its magnitude is V phase. Similarly, VBN and V by N. If this magnitude is V phase, so what is VRY? Now tell me what is VRY? So how to calculate VRY?
So square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab.
So how to calculate that? So how to calculate its magnitude? That is the question. Can we do like this?
New VPN, sir. What is VPN denoting?
So we can we do like this? Right. So this is split it into two parts, right? Okay. So what is this length? What is this length? From here to here.
So,
So what is that length?
VRN cos 30.
V?
VRN cos
VRN.
30.
So that is VRN cos 30, right? So this length is VRN cos 30. So that length is VRN cos 30. In other words, from here to here, that length is 2 times VRN cos 30, right? Agree? So this is equal to 2 times VRN cos 30 degrees. So 2 times, so this is V phase into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, right? So that means root 3 times V phase.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay?
Sir,
Yes?
I have a doubt. How can it be 30 degrees, sir? Because it is they both are not equal, no, sir. How can it divide
Where
exactly?
it is not equal.
VRN and VYN, sir.
VRN, VYN both are equal, no?
Oh, sorry, sir. Both are equal. Sorry.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now
Sir, is
what you
this a
understand
DC
that,
voltage? Sir, is this an AC voltage? No, sir. So how can we consider sine of omega t term will be there, no, sir?
no, we are drawing the phasors, right? Okay. In
Yes, sir.
phasors, the
Amplitudes are
sine term will
equal.
not come appear here.
Yeah, amplitudes are equal, sir. Yes.
Amplitudes is only important, right? So amplitudes are same. We assume that the balanced supply. So what you understood that, so VRY is root 3 times the phase voltage. Right? So root 3 times the phase voltage. So let us assume that, so VRY, so VRN, so it will be something like that. So root 3 times V phase, okay, sine omega t. I assume like this. Okay, so this V phase is the RMS value. Clear? If I assume like
So,
this, so what is the value of VRY? So how you represent? If this is VRN, so this is root 2 V phase sine omega t. So how you will represent? So this one. So how you will represent that?
plus 30.
Plus 30, right? So what is its magnitude? So root 2 into what is this magnitude here? What is its magnitude?
Into V phase.
Sir,
Root?
2 into V.
Root
Why
3
two?
into V phase.
Root 3 into V phase, right? So its magnitude is root 3 into V phase sine omega t. So how much angle it is in advanced?
plus 30, sir.
Plus 30
Plus
degrees,
30.
right? So this is plus 30 degrees. So this is about VRY. Similarly, we can extend this one or we can, this is so far we've done like this, right? So we can also do this one. So we can also do this one. Right. So we have to understand the two things. So we have to we have to conclude two things. So one is, if the phase voltage is V phase, if the phase voltage RMS value is V phase, so what is the line voltage RMS value? What is the line voltage RMS value?
Root 3V into V phase.
Root 3V into phase.
Root 3 times V phase. So this is phase voltage and this will be the line voltage. That is the first thing. Right? In star connected 3-phase source, the phase voltage or the line voltage is root 3 times the phase voltage. Right? So for example, we have the voltage of 230 volts, right? So how this 230 volts is obtained? So we have the 3-phase supply, so which is having 400 volts. So that is star connected. So this is the phase voltage. Single phase, we have phase voltage. So this is star connected. So 200 divided by root 3. So how much this value is? So what is this value? 400 divided by root 3. It's almost equal to 230 volts, right? So our supply is
231.2.
yeah. So our supply is usually vary from 400 to 415 volts. 3-phase supply. So that is star connected. So that means, so we have single phase supply. So which is either vary from 230 volts to 240 volts roughly. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And another one is, right, so this is the R phase, right? So that Ry is root 3 times sine omega t, right? So can anyone tell, so what is V with the same thing? So how exactly, so V, Y, B will be there? How exactly this V, Y, B will be there? If this is V, R, Y, so how exactly V, Y, B will be there?
So root 3 into V phase only.
So root 2, so its magnitude is also root 3 V phase.
Root 3 V
Agree?
phase. Yes, sir.
Sine
Sin omega minus
omega t plus 30 degrees. So how much angle it is delayed? So we have Ry first, Yb next, and next we have Br, right? So how much angle it is delayed by 120 degrees? Agree? Similarly, VBr, so this is equal to root 2 into root 3 phase sine omega t plus 30 degrees minus 240 degrees. So that means it will be somewhere here and this will be somewhere here. We are doing actually, so it will be like this. It will be somewhere here. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Why is VRN equal to root 2 times V phase?
Equal.
What's your doubt?
Why is VRN equal to root 2 times V phase?
So we assume this is peak value. We assume this is RMS value, right? V phase is the RMS value. So this peak value is represented by multiplying with root 2 only, no?
Okay, got it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is the relation, right? So this is the relation between phase voltages and phase currents, or sorry, phase voltages and line voltages in case of star connected source. Right. So from the phasor diagrams, so we can obtain this. From the phasor diagrams, we can actually obtain this. So in the next class, so we'll discuss about the delta connection. Right? You have any questions here?